Children, let us do play do learn today. Okay, page number 35. We have the lesson. Observe the different styles of drinking water. See, if we see in our surrounding, different animals drink water in different way. See, hen drinks water with its beak. Okay, like this. Now elephant has long trunk, so it drinks water with the help of its trunk. Now dog drinks directly like this with the help of tongue. And we people have hands, so we hold the glass with our hands and we drink water with the glass. So even different animals, observe in your surrounding which are the different animals and how they drink the water. And see, in all these things we see water. What are all these? This is a dam. Okay, so in dam water is stored. This is a water tank. Water is stored in water tank. Okay, and this is a bore well. We find this in villages, right? Have you seen? And this is fountain. We find it in garden. Now page number 36. Here water sources, S-O-U-R-C-E-S, sources, W-A-T-R, water sources. See, we get water from the rain. Okay, see, dark clouds in rainy season give us water. And this is the waterfall. In rainy season we find waterfall in mountain area. And this waterfall gives water to the rivers. Rivers get filled with water in rainy season. And animals are drinking water in the river. And this is a well. In village we find, no? Okay, we get water from the well. And here is a fountain. And here is the bore well. See, she is taking out water, and this lady is carrying water in the pots. Okay, like this scene we find in the villages. Now let us sing this poem. Rain, water, flow, flow, flow. Water level should grow, grow, grow. Dams and wells are filled to the brink to give birds and animals a cool drink. Did you like the poem? Now you all repeat after me. Rain, water, flow, flow, flow. Water level should grow, grow, grow. Dams and wells are filled to the brink to give birds and animals a cool drink. Learn this poem, okay? Nice poem. And this is Thirsty Crow story. You already know. Once there was a crow. It was very thirsty. So it was searching water here and there. Then it saw a pot. Then when it went and saw near, in that pot only little water was there at the bottom. Then what it did? It brought stones, small stones, and started throwing them in the pot. And stones went down. Water came up, and the crow drank the water and felt very happy. Now page number 37. We will do this activity. See, USES, uses of, WATR, water, uses of water. See, we use water for washing the clothes. We use water to while brushing the teeth. We use water for bathing. Okay. Now everywhere there are two pictures, and in one picture water is not wasted, but in another picture water is wasted. So where water is wasted, that is wrong. There we have to put cross, and where water is not wasted, we have to put tick mark. See here, the lady is washing the clothes, and bucket is filled with water and flowing, and here she has closed the tap and she is washing the clothes. So where water is not wasted? Here. So this is right. And here water is wasted. So this is wrong. Now here see, the boy brushing the teeth. He's brushing the teeth and tap is on and water is going wasted. And he's brushing it, tap is off. So where water is not wasted, there tick mark. Where water is wasted, there cross. You do that. And here the boy is taking bath and bucket is full of water and again still tap is open, water is wasted. Here water is not wasted. So do tick mark and cross.